Hello friends, welcome to iExamB's Law Channel Legal Bee. Now we have reached to the last video of 300 most important law questions. This is part 15 and today we are going to discuss questions on partnership, LLP and law of trust. Starting with the first question. The minimum number of partners in any LLP is? The correct answer is 2. This is given under section number 6, minimum number of partners. Every LLP shall have at least 2 partners. Question number 2. If the number of partners in an LLP is reduced below 2 and LLP carried out business for more than 6 months, then what will happen? The correct answer is the only partner shall be personally liable for obligations of LLP incurred during that period. This is also given in section 6, minimum number of partners. Question number 3. Dash shall indemnify the firm for any loss by fraud in the conduct of business of the firm. This is from Partnership Act. The correct answer is every partner shall indemnify if loss caused by his own fraud. This is given as per section 10 of the Indian Partnership Act. Question number 4. Incorporation document of an LLP has to be filed with. The correct answer is Registrar of State. This is given under section number 11B of LLP Act. The incorporation document shall be filed in such manner and with such fees as may be prescribed with the Registrar of the State. Question number 5. When no provision is made as to the duration of partnership in any contract, it is. The correct answer is partnership at will. Section 7 defines partnership at will, where no provision is made by contract between the partners for the duration of their partnership or for the determination of their partnership. The partnership is partnership at will. Question number 6. When a partner exercises his authority in an emergency and protects the firm from loss, then such act, the correct answer is, shall bind the firm. This is given under section number 21, Partner's Authority in an Emergency. A partner has authority in an emergency to do all such acts for the purpose of protecting the firm from loss as would be done by a person of ordinary prudence in his own case acting under similar circumstances, and such acts bind the firm. Question number 7. In case a partner causes loss to any third party, liability rests with. The correct answer is both A and B. Partner who is wrongful and the firm. This is given under section number 26, liability of the firm for wrongful acts of a partner. Question number 8. After dissolution of the firm, goodwill of the firm, the correct answer is, can be sold. This is given under section number 55, sale of goodwill after dissolution. In settling the accounts of a firm after dissolution, the goodwill shall, subject to contract between the partners, be included in the assets and it may be sold either separately or along with the other property of the firm. Question number 9. If a partner carries out business competing with that of a firm, the correct answer is he shall account for and pay to the firm all profits made by him. This is given under section number 16, personal profits earned by partners. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a valid partnership? The correct answer is partnership arising out of status. Partnership not created by status. The relationship of partnership arises from contract and not from status, and in particular the member of Hindu undivided family carrying on a family business as such or a Burmese Buddhist husband and wife carrying on business as such are not partners in such business. Question number 11. What is DPIN in an LLP? The correct answer is designated partner identification number. Question number 12. A retiring partner shall. The correct answer is A, B and C. A retiring partner shall be liable until public notice of retirement is given. He shall be discharged from his liabilities for acts of the firm carried out after his date of retirement and be discharged for any liability to third party for acts of the firm before retirement also by an agreement made by him with such third party and reconstituted firm. This is given under section number 32, retirement of a partner. Question number 13. A person while resigning as a partner of an LLP shall give a notice in writing of not less than, the correct answer is 30 days. This is given under section number 24 of LLP Act. Question number 14. A partner dash for wrongful act of another partner in an LLP. The correct answer is shall not be personally liable. This is given under section number 28, extent of liability of a partner. Question number 15. In case a breach is committed by co-trustees, the correct answer is each trustee shall be liable severally for whole of the loss occasioned. This is given under section number 27 of the Indian Trust Act, several liability of co-trustees. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a duty of a trustee? The correct answer is to set up adverse title to beneficiary. This is given under section number 14, trustee not to set up title adverse to beneficiary. Question number 17. In a trust deed, there can be, the correct answer is minimum 3 parties always. There are 3 parties to a trust. The author being the person who creates the trust, the beneficiary for whose benefit the trust has been created, and the trustee who is appointed by the author to administer the trust. Question number 18. A trustee, the correct answer here is, may make modifications subjected to consent of beneficiaries including minors. This is given under section number 11. Trustee to execute trust. The trustee is bound to fulfill the purpose of the trust and to obey the directions of the author of the trust given at the time of its creation, except as modified by the consent of all the beneficiaries being competent to contract. Where the beneficiary is incompetent to contract, his consent may, for the purposes of this section, be given by a principal civil court of original jurisdiction. Question number 19. Where the trust property consists of money and cannot be applied immediately or at an early date to the purposes of the trust, the trustee is bound to, the correct answer is A and C. The trustee is bound to invest it in any securities as mentioned in the trust instrument and invest it in promissory notes, shares, bonds or debentures, etc. This is given under section number 20, investment of trust money. Question number 20. Which chapter of the Indian Trust Act 1882 deals with creation of trust? The correct answer is B. Chapter 2 deals with creation of trust. So this was all in this series. This was video 15, the last video where we discussed questions from partnership, LLP and law of trust. I hope this series was useful to you. Now if you have any suggestions, any feedbacks or you need revision questions on any particular act, mention that in the comment below. Subscribe to our LegalBee YouTube channel. This is your one-stop solution for all legal exams. For any queries, you can reach out to us on this number. You can also write to us on this email ID. Thank you.